boys and girls, we are going to learn how to draw our own blue dog. So this is what your drawing would look like when you're done. Our first step is we will start with a big piece of white paper. We want to make sure it is vertical, so that means our long sides are standing up, and we need a pencil. Now we're going to look at one of George Ravi's painting, A Blue Dog. We can see here the top of the head is a nice large oval shape. That is what we're going to start our drawing with. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a nice big oval towards the top of my paper. I want to make sure I'm not at the very, very top edge, because if I do that, I'm not going to have room for the ears. So I draw a nice size oval, not too big, but not too small. Because remember, we are going to put a nose and eyes inside. And we want to make sure they're large enough to be colored in with an oil pastel. So once I've got my oval, I'm now going to create the legs of Blue Dog. I'm going to first come and I'm going to make a line from here down almost to the very bottom of my paper on this side, and another line pretty far spaced from that. Now I need to add the feet, so I'm just going to kind of make this curved line, almost like the letter U, and then come up, not all the way, but part of the way of my vertical line. Now I'm going to add a line for where the belly of my dog would be. I'm just going to kind of be like a little wavy line. Now I'm going to add, because our dog is sitting, I'm going to add the hind legs. So the two back legs. So I'm going to make kind of a backwards letter J or candy cane on either side. And then kind of use the letter C or backwards C for the feet. Now I'm going to make my ears for Blue Dog. But Blue Dog has very pointy, large ears. And you can see here they've kind of got a jagged line. So I'm going to kind of use like a zigzag line to create them. So I'm going to start here at the edge of my head. I'm going to kind of make a couple zigzag lines, come up, make that pointed top like a triangle, and make another couple zigzag lines. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Notice I'm making them nice and wide, so I've got room to add that triangle. And again, that can be kind of a wavy line also, or zigzag line. It doesn't have to be perfect. Our next step is we're going to make the snout, this part of the nose. Notice this part here is much thinner than this part here. It also goes further than this bottom line of our oval. I'm going to first start with two lines that are semi-curved. So it's going to kind of come straight and then get curved out towards the bottom and go past my circle line. Okay, then I'm going to connect this bottom part kind of with like a smile. And then I can make a smaller one underneath. Now my nose is not see-through, so I'm going to erase this line that goes through the nose. And just like Blue Dog has this kind of wavy line for the end of that pattern of her fur, I'm going to make that wavy line a little bit at the top as well. Okay, our next step is we're going to make Blue Dog's eyes. Now we're going to make this yellow part of the eye. It is a circle shape with a smaller circle inside. I want to make my eyes large enough because I am going to be coloring them in with an oil pastel. So I don't want to make them too tiny. But I don't want to make them so big that they look out of place on my dog's face. I want to make them roughly about the same size. And my top of my eraser should fit inside. So you can see here, boys and girls, like that eraser can fit inside that small circle. Now, Blue Dog has got this design kind of around the eyes, and it's kind of a classic kind of trademark of George Brogie's Blue Dog. So we're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to add what is going to be a curved line or a frown right here on this side of the right eye, so I'm kind of on the left-hand side. Then I'm going to do one on the bottom right. Notice they almost connect. It's almost like making a big circle, but I'm leaving some space in between. I'm going to do the left eye now, but now I'm going to come on the upper right and the bottom left. And they're almost going to touch and connect. Now I'm going to take the letter V and make two little points that connect those two curved lines. Okay. And just like George Brogie's dog, has kind of like these markings like eyebrows, and then like I call them like little sport football marks. We're going to add those, and they can kind of be wavy, and they're going to kind of be like a wavy curved rectangle. So kind of like an eyebrow above and an eyebrow kind of below. Okay. Our next step to finish the nose is to give our Blue Dog this square type of rounded snout. So what we're going to do is we're going to just make a nice big rounded square with two small ovals inside. Now, George Brogie's dogs usually have a lot of fur on the face, and so this is going to be our last and final step. I'm going to now just make a zigzag line next to that curved line of my oval. I'm now going to erase my oval line, but leave my jagged zigzag. And notice my zigzags are kind of far apart. They aren't super close together. I don't want my zigzag to be like this. Okay, we're not going to see those zigzag lines. I'll bring it closer so you can definitely see the difference. I do not want them to be that close. I want them to be a little farther apart. And I'm erasing this line here. And now our Blue Dog is complete.